Hello students, welcome to Infinity IAS. Today we will start a new lecture series on Science and Technology part of the Civil Services Examination. So, coming to the introduction, Science and Technology, we should first go through the syllabus like any other topic in Civil Services Examination. So, for prelims, the Science and Technology part, it is just mentioned general science. That includes all our basic concepts as well as current affairs. Then in the mains part of the syllabus, we have Science and Technology in GS3 paper. This is the syllabus that is mentioned for GS3 in Science and Technology subsection. So it starts from recent developments and their applications and effects in everyday life. So we should be aware of recent developments or current affairs related things in science and technology, as well as their applications and effects in everyday life. So for example, in mains this year we had a question regarding blue LEDs. Blue LEDs was a recent development in science and technology, and the question that was asked was, what is the effect of blue LEDs on everyday life? So this question was directly asked from this section of the syllabus. So next comes achievements of Indians in science and technology. So we should be aware of different achievements of scientists from India or any other research organization from India. For example, we have had a question on the contribution of MS Swaminathan and Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya in mains. So this question was directly from this part of the syllabus. Next comes indigenization of technology and developing new technology. So this we have to look for research that is being taken place in India, or what are the initiatives that the government of India is taking to encourage research in India. This forms indigenization of technology and developing new technology. What is indigenization of technology? That means we are taking a technology or developing a technology completely on our own. That is indigenization of technology. Next, this is one of the most important parts of the syllabus. Here, different subtopics are separately mentioned. We have general awareness in the fields of IT, space, computers, robotics, nanotechnology, biotechnology. So, what do we have here? We need general awareness in these fields. For example, any graduate can attempt the UPSC Civil Services Examination. He or she need not necessarily be an engineer or a doctor. So even if a person is not from the science background at all, he or she needs to have general awareness of these particular topics. So here we have IT, space, computers. So IT and computers means we have artificial intelligence or deep learning or big data. Such topics come under IT and computers. Space technology includes satellites, launching vehicles, etc. Next comes nanotechnology. We will look at nanotechnology in further part of this series. And then comes biotechnology. This includes our vaccine developments or drug developments or even genetically modified crops, etc. So these are the topics that come under this part of the syllabus. This is very important part of the syllabus because it gives us a way to approach prelims examination. Considering the fact that only general science is mentioned in the syllabus for prelims examination, this can act as a guide of what is the knowledge we need to have to tackle prelims examination. Next comes issues relating to intellectual property rights. This is a very important topic considering the fact that we have had COVID-19 pandemic for the last 2 years and there were a lot of drugs and vaccines that were developed. So all the drugs and vaccines will have to have protection in the form of intellectual property rights. So we would have seen or heard of terms compulsory licensing, patents, etc. So all these come under intellectual property rights.